I dive into the question, is this the biggest sign of a foolish man? Let's find out together. Foolishness in decision-making can have a profound impact on our life choices, often leading us down paths we might later regret. It's a crucial aspect of personal growth to recognize and acknowledge these moments of foolishness so we can learn to make better decisions and live more fulfilling lives. There are many signs of foolishness that people exhibit, some more subtle than others. For instance, ignoring red flags or warning signs is a classic trait of foolish individuals. They might choose to overlook crucial information, blinded by their emotions or biases. Another common sign is the tendency to follow the crowd, even when their gut is telling them otherwise. This lack of critical thinking can lead to poor decision-making and an overall lack of personal accountability. Foolish people often lack self-awareness, failing to acknowledge their own shortcomings and blaming external circumstances for their failures. They might get stuck in denial, refusing to accept responsibility for their actions. Moreover, they often struggle with impulse control, acting on emotions rather than logic, leading to reckless decisions that can have devastating consequences. Recognizing these signs of foolishness is crucial for personal growth, as it allows us to take a step back, reflect on our actions, and make adjustments to avoid repeating the same mistakes. By becoming more mindful of our own thought patterns and behaviors, we can develop a more critical and nuanced approach to decision-making. Imagine a person who consistently makes the same mistake, expecting a different outcome each time, or someone who refuses to listen to others' opinions, convinced they're always right. These scenarios illustrate foolish behavior, highlighting the importance of self-reflection and adaptability. A foolish person might prioritize short-term gains over long-term consequences, or get caught up in their ego, sacrificing their relationships and well-being in the process. Beneath the surface of these foolish actions lies a deep-seated fear of being wrong, a fear of vulnerability, or a fear of being perceived as weak. This underlying psychology drives their behavior, leading them to make choices that ultimately harm themselves and those around them. By examining these patterns of behavior, we can gain a deeper understanding of the psychology behind foolishness. But there's one sign of foolishness that many fail to acknowledge: the inability to ask for help. This stubborn refusal to seek guidance or support can stem from a deep-seated fear of appearing weak or vulnerable. However, it's precisely this refusal to ask for help that can lead to catastrophic consequences. By acknowledging this sign of foolishness, we can take the first step towards breaking free from its grasp. So, what's the takeaway from today's exploration of foolishness? Recognizing these signs is crucial for personal growth, but it's equally important to develop the self-awareness and critical thinking necessary to avoid these pitfalls. By doing so, we can break free from the cycle of foolishness and start living a more authentic, fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. And if you've got a personal story about a time when you exhibited foolish behavior, or if you're struggling with recognizing foolishness in yourself or others, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the world of personal development.